Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to display real-time weather updates with details on your website using the Location Weather plugin. Let's get started. The Location Weather plugin comes with 15 plus powerful Gutenberg blocks, allowing you to showcase real-time weather conditions with detailed and customizable information. It seamlessly integrates with two reliable API sources, Open Weather and Weather API. It is mandatory to enter a valid API key for the plugin to show weather data correctly. Now let's add a weather block to a page and see how it works. After adding the weather block, you'll see the settings panel on the right-hand side of your screen. From here, you can fully customize how the weather information appears. The plugin offers over 40 beautiful, ready-made weather templates, including all the weather blocks, so you can instantly create a visually appealing weather section without any design effort. Now, select your preferred API source. Set the location using a city name, zip code, or geographic coordinates. For this example, I'll set the location using a city name. You can also enable the Auto Detect Visitor's Location feature. This allows the plugin to automatically detect your visitor's location and instantly display accurate weather data based on where they are browsing from. Next, configure the weather data measurement units according to your preference. You can choose units for temperature, wind speed, pressure, and more. You can also customize how the active temperature unit appears on the weather view by selecting from the available display styles. Under Regional Preferences, you can show or hide the location name, current time, and date. You can also set the time format, choose a specific time zone, and select your preferred language directly from here. In the Current Weather section, you can control the visibility of elements such as the weather icon, temperature, and other key details. You can select different icon styles and fully customize the typography to match your website design. Finally, under the Additional Data settings, you can control exactly which weather details you want to display. Select your preferred data layout from 10 different styles and enable or disable specific weather elements based on your audience's needs. Once everything looks perfect, simply click the Publish button. And that's it. Your website will now display the real-time weather updates exactly the way you customized it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials.